The 8 a.m. appointment rush, a familiar scene in every GP surgery. At Redcentric, we're here to make it smoother. Imagine a world where patients can keep their place in the queue, allowing them to continue their day and receive a call back when it's their turn. Our advanced auto attendant ensures every call reaches the right department, optimizing your patient call flow. With Redcentric, you're not just getting a service, you're partnering with a team boasting over 600 members and nearly 30 years of healthcare expertise. Numbers don't lie. Let's look at CityView Surgery, one of our esteemed clients. Compared to a similar GP surgery, CityView experienced 53% less average patient call wait time, 45% faster average call answer time, 37% shorter average call duration. The results? More satisfied patients and more efficient practice. Join the ranks of GP surgeries revolutionizing their patient experiences with Redcentric. Ready for a transformation? Reach out to us today.